I usually like to think of companies being in two buckets. The first bucket is where you have companies that are not aware of the ASEAN Economic Community or the benefits that potentially could be brought about by the AEC. For companies in that bucket, essentially it's all about getting up to speed about the ASEAN Economic Community, understanding to what extent the AEC would bring about new opportunities or could bring about new competition that could potentially threaten their historical traditional businesses. So for companies in that bucket, it's really getting up to speed with what ASEAN is all about, what the AEC is all about, and really formulating some kind of strategy to deal with the AEC. Second, I think there's a second bucket of companies which are what I call the AEC aware companies, and these really are companies that are very savvy about the ASEAN initiatives on economic integration. For companies like that, I think they've gone beyond the stage of trying to get to know what the AEC is about, and they've actually started to think about and formulate detailed plans as to how to take advantage of the AEC. So, for example, they could be looking at, well, how do I need to rationalize my manufacturing in order to take advantage of the various trade and goods commitments under the AEC? How can I get better market access for services that I intend to provide cross-border within ASEAN? And also look at, how can I take advantage of the investment protection commitments in order to ensure that whatever capital that got put into businesses in ASEAN is well protected.